Well, over the past week or so, I've had a lot of fun turning pennies into cowboy hats. But today, I got an order for something different, and I'm pretty excited about it. It's a Tennessee quarter coin ring. So we're going to start with this awesome Tennessee quarter and make it into a coin ring. Let's do it. Next step is throwing it on the ring stretcher. Follow for part 2. This is part 2 of turning a Tennessee quarter into a coin ring. So far we've folded it, sanded it, and now we just need to stretch it. So I'm going to throw it on the ring stretcher. Bingo. So this ring needs to be a size 11. I've sized it a little bit larger. I'm going to reduce this edge in part 3. This is part 3 of turning a Tennessee quarter into a coin ring. Now so far we've got a lot of the steps out of the way, but I want to even up these sides. So I'm going to reduce this inside of this reduction die. And now that we've got the sides nice and even, I just need to clean it up. Now I've got these edges nice and smooth and shiny. I'm going to throw it in my little ring hot tub. It's done. Now I'm just going to wipe it down with my jewelry cloth.